Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crop a screenshot on Mac. Whether you want to remove unwanted parts, focus on a specific area, or make your screenshot look cleaner, this tutorial will help you do it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Before cropping, let's quickly take a screenshot. Here are the easiest shortcuts. Press Command plus Shift plus 3. The screenshot is taken of the entire screen. And if you press Command plus Shift plus 4, then to select a specific area manually, as you can see here. Once you take the screenshot, it usually gets saved on your desktop automatically, as you can see on my screen as well. The easiest way to crop a screenshot on Mac is by using the built-in preview app. Okay, so double click on your image. It should open in preview automatically. Now at the top toolbar, click the markup. You can see here markup. Okay, now you can see here. Now what you have to do, just drag your mouse to the selected part of the screenshot you want to keep. As you can see here, I just want this folder icon only. Now what I have to do, first what you have to press Command plus K, then press Command plus S to save it. As you can see, it is saved now. And that's it. Your screenshot is now cropped. Your cropped image will replace the old one automatically. Now here are faster trick many Mac users don't know about. After taking a screenshot, a small thumbnail appears, as you can see here. Just click on this preview. Just select the crop. Now crop it and plus click on done. And boom. That's it. This method is super fast and saves a lot of time. If you edit a screenshot often, you can also use apps like Canva, Photoshop, but honestly, for most people, the built-in Mac tools are more than enough. So that's how you can crop a screenshot on Mac easily using preview or the quick editing tool. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.